Question 1. Which cathedral in Vasai won the UNESCO award? The right answer is Our Lady of Grace Cathedral. Question 2. Which organization gave the award to the Vasai Cathedral? The right answer is UNESCO. Question 3. In which year did the cathedral receive the award? The right answer is 2025. Question 4. What award did the cathedral receive? The right answer is Award of Merit. Question 5. How old is the Vasai Cathedral approximately? The right answer is 475 years. Question 6. In which village is the cathedral located? The right answer is Papdy village. Question 7. This award belongs to which UNESCO category? The right answer is Asia Pacific Conservation. Question 8. What was special about the restoration work? The right answer is community-led restoration. Question 9. Which architectural style does the cathedral represent? The right answer is Portuguese style. Question 10. Which parts of the cathedral were restored? The right answer is roof and facade.